Hi, this is Chef Megan, and today we are going to be making rutabaga fries. They are delicious. It's kind of a little out of the box. If you've ever seen a rutabaga, it ain't so pretty on the outside, but all you have to do is take your vegetable peeler and peel the outer layer. Kind of has a waxy little outer layer, and then slice off the ends. And we're gonna make it in the shape of a French fry. So I'll half it. It's about the consistency of a sweet potato, so it's soft enough, it's a little easier to cut than some other vegetables. And look at that, they're even the color of French fries. So toss those in your bowl. You can put any kind of seasoning you like on those. Today we're gonna use truffle salt. It just really gives it an elegant lift to a very savory and tasty vegetable. So after you've cut up your rutabaga, you take some extra virgin olive oil. And you could just use regular salt and pepper as well, or your favorite seasoning. So, I love the aroma that truffle brings, and you only need a little bit. So, a little bit goes a long way. Toss those together. Get your sheet pan. A lined sheet pan would be best. You could use parchment paper or your Silpat. And you want to separate them out, just like that. And you will have your French fries in no time. You can also use an air fryer if you have that and do the exact same thing, but we're gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees, and then we'll have a wonderful side dish or snack that is full of fiber and nutrients and no guilt.